hope we can all like party in a barrel.
Yeah.
I want to get better at backside.
You gotta grab your rail, keep your eyes on the exit. That's my biggest advice for barrel riding. Keep your eyes on the exit. So many barrels I could have just like not made it, but I just kept looking where I was going and I made it. Like it's so crazy how your eyes are like the key to like obviously positioning on your board.
I need to get in it before I start looking at that, right? I look at the exit before I even get on the wave.
We're all surfing today because it's probably the best.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. We are here at Padang today. Waves are getting really fun, and yeah, we're just posted up with our coconuts.
I feel like everyone will get barrels, but I don't know. Maybe like Bethany or Nikki
Or Alana.
Oh God!
All
I
the
need
girls
help.
do it.
Somebody help me.
Okay, I'll be the lazy one. My arm does enough work.
Tiny jellyfish everywhere out there. And you just paddle through them and it's like, oh. But it's too crowded. Way too crowded. 40 people, 35 people maybe or something. I finally kind of made it out of baby one. Got really stung, but it's super glassy. It was nice sharing it with a whole bunch of people. Here's my Lonnie. Go Lake! Maybe that's how it's done!
Second last day.
You gotta make it count for sure.
Yeah, it's so beautiful out there right now. The lighting's amazing, and hopefully we make the best out of it.
not the best mindset, and then it's like, you know what, I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun, make my hair real tight. I'm just gonna turn this around. I'm gone! And then I went up and just did a nice little turn and then pulled in. It felt really good. And then finish it off. Bye! Oh, I reckon it looks so much fun. The girls are making it look good. Either that or the girls are making it look good. Bethany and I are like, alright, it's our turn. They're coming.
There's some good ones, couple dreamers, but it's like you gotta hunt them down. I've had. There's a group of like, I don't even know how many of us there are, but at least 10 plus girls and a lot of younger girls, and to be like able to hang out with them and go surfing and just be ourselves together and kind of hopefully inspire the younger generation to be their best self is so amazing, and it's just been a blast.
This is our last day in Bali and it's been super fun hanging with all the girls. I feel like it's been so fun just having like all age groups and just, I don't know, being out in the surf together and kind of like really fun. Yeah. I think the boys are getting pretty annoyed with all of us. I think they want us out of Bali. Yeah, girls takeover for sure. Yeah.
I have longer legs, but I would step in and play over now.
Ours was like oh shit!
Me goreng, sorry.
Two.
Oh, me goreng chicken or vegetarian?
Chicken, please.
Chicken, please. Okay, are we getting, wait 1 second, sorry.
Have
Are
you?
we getting 2 me gorengs?
No, one.
1 me goreng, and then 2 normal cheeseburgers, please.
And then 5 waters and 5
No,
curry
and then
sweat.
2 nasi gorengs.
2, what else?
2 nasi gorengs.
2 nasi gorengs, chicken or seafood.
Chicken.
Please make
And can you please make sure the enchilada is in a bowl? Oh yeah, the enchilada bowl.
And 1 tangerine juice.
Oh,
2 tangerine juice.
Well, I
Oh,
already got a
wait.
drink. 2 tangerine juice.
2 tangerine juice. Yeah.
Another Dawn Patrol.
No.
Okay.
Lisa wants a
Order.
drink.
Oh, and could I please get 1 Dawn Patrol?
1 papaya smoothie too. Juice. That's bad. That's bad.
Yeah. And 1 papaya.
And 1 coconut.
And 1 Coke. 1 papaya smoothie.
Just one of everything on the menu.
And
5
1
waters,
coconut water. Stop laughing. 1.
No, that's all. That goes to Villa 7, please.
No.
3.
Oh,
Villa
three.
3, sorry.
3. 3. Is that even
Oh
a
yeah,
villa?
repeat the order.
No.
Yeah. 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 Thank you so much. Bye. Oh my gosh, my ear is sweaty.
I'm so glad that that's under my name.